Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is a hype coin or hyper liquid coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis or the chart analysis. So let's begin. So you can see that I am in the monthly chart. So what do you think, whether the candles will fall further or the reversal may take place? The candles may start moving in an upward edge. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment box, and let us do the technical analysis and find out that also. So you can see I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is a resistance trend line and this is the support, and you can see there is a support level over here and there is a resistance level over here, and you can see after this breakout you can see candles are falling. Okay, and if you go to this weekly chart, you can see candles are falling continuously. So this is the previously you can see candles were moving in upward direction, and then a breakout happened, then candles started falling. So this is support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So candles may come down to the support level. So you can see continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, and after this fall and breakout, the candles may go fall, and then it may go up and then fall, and then finally after breakout it may go to the resistance level, which is around 58, and until then the candles will fall in this downtrend channel pattern. So if there is a breakout happens, then candles may move to the resistance level, which is around 29, and then fall may take place. So like this it may fall, and after the breakout it may go to the resistance level. Okay, so if you see this RSI in the oversold zone, and if the reversal takes place, then you may see a breakout, candles may go to the resistance level, or else they continuously they cancel fall if the RSI is in moves near to this oversold zone. Okay, so that way the fall may take place, and then after breakout it may go to the resistance level. So like this candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. You can see that previously you can see candles went to the resistance level, fall happened, and then it has gone to the resistance level. So here you can see the downtrend channel also the same thing. You can see like it is falling, after the fall the breakout happened, it will go up, again fall, and then finally breakout may happen, and then candles may go to the resistance level, and the future resistance is around 58. Okay, so after the breakout only from here the candles may start moving in an upward direction, or else if the breakout happens, it may go up to the resistance level and then fall. So like this small opportunities you may get. Okay, so you can see that after breakout it may go up and then fall may take place, and go up, fall. Like this it is moving in this downtrend channel pattern. After the breakout you may move sideways. Okay, so that we'll see later on. And if you go to daily chart also, you can see continuously the candles are falling. After the breakout only you may see a rally towards the resistance level. So now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $24.58. It is up by 2%. Rank is around 15. Around 185k users are following this cryptocurrency, and the market cap is $8.32 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $85.39 million. And you can see maximum supply is 961 million hype coin, and the total supply is 961.67 million hype coins, and you can see circulating supply is around 339.34 million hype coins. Okay, and you can see rank is around 15, and around 185k users are following this cryptocurrency. So now I'll go to the chart. So you can see by drawing trend lines you can find out how the candles will move in future, and always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. That is very important. Suppose the fall is happening here, and if there is a breakout happen, candles start moving in the upward direction, you should have a stop loss below this, so that anything goes wrong you can protect your investment amount. Okay, so that way you can prevent big losses also. So always draw the trend line to find out the support resistance levels, so it will be easy to know where the candles will be moving in future. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.